Hello everyone. As we know, winter is back and so is the need for humidifiers. I was exploring some humidifiers on Amazon and found this one with all 5-star ratings, so I decided to give it a try. When I bought this one, it cost me $54.99 if I'm not wrong. Today it's selling at 62 or something. I don't like pricing policy of some of these Chinese sailors that they keep on fluctuating their prices. Sometimes they just double it up when people need it the most, but anyway, it's their own policy. Let's come back to the humidifier. So it has a wide mouth, which makes it extremely easy to fill up. That's the lid. And it will sit on this one. One word of caution. Please don't use any essential oils because this is not a diffuser. If you want to use diffuser plus humidifier, then you should explore some different options. They're a bit expensive, but you can go with Levoit or one of the model from Tautronics. This is the actual part that release mist. Something I still don't understand is, you see, this is a huge body by itself, but the mist release portion is quite small, and you can see here there is a blockage. They should have simply removed this blockage so that mist could free flow, right? So just put it there. So this is an off position. When you start, you will hear a click and the mist will start. I hope you can see the mist. Let me change this. Yeah, you can see. So that's the minimum. You can change it to high. You see, I don't see any significant difference in terms of changing it from minimum to medium. You will see significant difference when it is turned to max. And this is a 360-degree nozzle. So yeah, that was it. Now, is it value for money? Probably. At price point of $55 or $60, you won't be wrong in buying this one because it has 4-liter capacity, and it's quite simple to use, quite easy to clean, and it provides plenty of mist when you need it. The only downside is that it does not have mist control based on actual humidity. So there is a model from Tautronics. It sales at around $70 for now. It has all those functions. You may also explore that one, but this one is, yeah, value for money. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.